You spend energy starting habits and then wonder why nothing compounds. That failure costs you months of progress and dozens of half-finished projects. The Habit Pulse protocol re-engineers how your nervous system encodes routine so tiny actions become unstoppable momentum, not abandoned intentions. Within 90 seconds, you will install a pulse that shifts reward timing, aligns with your ultradian energy rhythm, and turns microhabits into multi-hour traction. Diagnose the leak in 10 seconds by answering 3 quick yes or no signals. Do you fail to repeat a new habit for more than 3 days? Do you feel bored or restless 20 minutes in? And do your goals rely on vague intentions instead of tiny defined tasks? Any no shows a broken pulse. The mechanism is neuroscience simple. Dopamine reinforces prediction errors. Habits succeed when reward timing becomes predictable and frequent relative to effort. Most routines fail because reward is delayed or diffuse. The protocol creates predictable reward pulses and micro-feedback loops that your brain quickly prefers. Install the protocol now. Step 1. The 90-second pulse reset. Trigger. Before any new or stalled habit attempt. Action. Perform a 90-second reset to mark the state change. Sit upright, breathe out for 6 seconds, pause 2 seconds, inhale for 6 seconds, repeat once. Immediately after the second inhale, apply a one-time sensory marker. Cold splash, a loud clap, or a firm grip of the desk for 3 seconds. Why? This sequence lowers arousal, then creates a distinct sensory event that your brain uses as an anchor for the new routine. Success cue. Breathing slows and your attention narrows on one step. Do this now. Perform the 90-second breathing sequence plus a 3-second sensory marker for 90 seconds to anchor your start state and cut the noise. Step 2. Build an atomic micro-commit. Trigger. Immediately after the pulse reset. Action. Define one atomic action that lasts between 30 seconds and 5 minutes and moves the goal forward. Write it as a command sentence using an action verb and a measurable outcome, for example. Write 3 bullets for the product pitch, or record one 90-second vocal take. Start the timer and work only on that atomic action. Why? Small bounded tasks create immediate prediction wins, so dopamine rewards execution rather than novelty. Success cue. You complete the micro-action within the allotted time. Do this now. Choose one atomic action, set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes to produce immediate measurable progress. Step 3. The reward echo. Trigger upon completing the atomic micro-commit. Action. Claim a fixed, short sensory reward exactly 30 to 90 seconds after completion. Rewards must be brief and consistent. A 30-second walk, a single coffee sip, 5 deep breaths with eyes closed, or a 1-minute glance at a single chosen feed. Schedule the reward when you plan the task and delay it until after the micro-action completes. Why? Delaying a consistent small reward teaches your brain to expect reinforcement tied to task completion rather than to distraction. Success cue. You take the scheduled 30 to 90-second reward only after finishing the micro-action. Do this now. Pick one 30 to 90-second reward. Delay it until after completion to reassign your brain's reward timing to finished work. Step 4. Chain and amplify. Trigger. After 3 successful pulses in a row. Action. Chain 3 atomic micro-commits into a single block and add a medium reward after the chain completes, such as a 10-minute walk or focused review session. Limit a chain to 3 to 5 micro-commits the first week. Increase chain length by 1 micro-action each week only if your focus score stays 4 out of 5 or higher. Why? Repeated paired micro-action and reward builds a concatenated expectation that compounds motivation across the block. Success cue. You finish the chained block and feel a clear increase in momentum rather than depletion. Do this now. Chain 3 atomic micro-commits and schedule a 10-minute medium reward to amplify progress into sustained momentum. Step 5. Log, score, and adapt. Trigger immediately after each block ends. Action. Write a single-line log with 3 values. Total minutes focused, pulses completed, and a focus score from 1 to 5. Use a simple format like 50 vertical bar 3 vertical bar 4. If your focus score is under 3, shorten the next block to 2 micro-commits and repeat the same reward mapping. If your focus score is 4 or 5, schedule a second block after a 10-minute active break. Why? Immediate feedback trains expectation and reinforces the new reward schedule faster than delayed reflection. Success cue. A 1-line log and a clear decision for the next block. Do this now. Record minutes, pulses, and focus score for 60 seconds to create a feedback loop that accelerates habit formation. Stress test 1. Interruptions. Survival rule. Apply a 30-second micro reset and resume within 60 seconds without restarting the chain. Resumption within 60 seconds preserves the reward expectation and prevents devaluation of the chain. Do this now. When interrupted, breathe for 30 seconds and resume within 60 seconds to keep momentum intact. Stress test 2. Low energy or willpower dip. Survival rule. Reduce micro-commit length to 30 seconds and switch sensory reward to movement. Movement restores cortical arousal without introducing novel digital stimuli. Do this now. If energy falls, shorten the next micro-commit to 30 seconds and take a 1-minute active reward to restore arousal without distraction. Measurement and feedback schedule. Use the Daily Habit Pulse scorecard with 3 rows: total deep minutes, pulse success rate percentage, and average focus score. Updated at the end of each day. Example entry: 120 vertical bar, 87% vertical bar, 4.2. Review weekly and aim to increase total deep minutes by 15% week over week, or raise the average focus score by 0.3 points. If neither improves, compress blocks into more frequent, shorter sessions until the reward mapping holds. Maintain and scale with compressed and extended versions. The compressed 30-second pulse for busy days is exhale for 4 seconds, name the exact atomic action allowed, close one distracting tab, and start a 25-minute block. That sequence creates enough boundary to trigger the pulse with minimal time. Do this now. Perform the 30-second compressed pulse for 30 seconds to start focused work under any time constraint. Scale for larger goals by stacking reliable daily blocks. Reserve the first block for initiation and highest leverage work, the second block for expansion and execution, and the third block for synthesis and delivery. Stack no more than 3 blocks on regular days. Use the 4th block only when you intentionally increase reward magnitude. Real-world examples to run today. Example 1. Write a 1-page brief. Pulse reset, then atomic micro-commit. Write 150 words in 5 minutes. Reward echo, 30-second walk after completion. Chain, 3 such micro-commits to reach a full draft. Log metrics and evaluate. Example 2. Learning a new skill. Pulse reset, atomic micro-commit. 1 focused exercise or drill for 3 minutes. Reward echo, a brief note of progress or a single practice repetition as a reward. Chain 3 drills, then log. Neuroscience in plain language. Dopamine signals expected reward and updates when outcomes match predictions. Frequent, predictable small rewards shift the brain's highest expected value from novelty to scheduled completion. Sensory anchors and breathing resets interrupt the novelty loop and mark start states. Chained micro-rewards build longer time on task because the brain learns to expect recurring reinforcement tied to work. Final tactical checklist for immediate execution. Do the 90-second pulse reset. Choose 1 atomic micro-commit and set a timer. Complete the micro-commit. Delay your fixed 30 to 90-second reward echo, then log minutes and score. Chain 3 pulses when you consistently score 4 or above. Do this now. Run 1 full pulse with an atomic micro-commit for 3 to 5 minutes to convert a stalled intention into measurable progress. Long-term advantage and CTA paragraph. The Habit Pulse protocol turns fleeting willpower into a reliable, trainable engine that compounds daily into major results. Habit formation stops being a test of character and becomes a predictable engineering problem. Subscribe to Success Code to collect more neural protocols that multiply the gains from this one and build an arsenal that makes momentum irreversible.